Hi gorgeous, and a very happy Frugal Friday to you. If you're new to the channel, welcome to you. I make videos like this every Friday focusing on drugstore and affordable products, so please subscribe to be notified of new videos in the future. In today's video, I'm testing out a number of new products for you from Makeup Revolution. Now these are labeled on the website as being new, and that's why I selected them. Plus I'd never really seen these talked about on YouTube, and I wanted to see how they perform. So I'll be showing you in depth what they look like, the type of results that you get with each product, and whether or not they are worth getting. First product I have to share with you is their Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. On the back of the bottle, this states that it will make your makeup last for 12 hours. So naturally, I'm gonna put it to the test. And to do this, I tested it out with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation and the L'Oreal Infallible powder. Both of these products don't last worth a flip on my face, so that's why I tested them out with this setting spray. And the way that I did this test was I only applied the setting spray on one half of my face because I really wanted to see how the two sides would compare at the end of the day. And after wearing the setting spray for 12 hours, this is what my face looked like. And you can already tell on the side where I did not apply the setting spray how much oil has broken through, how shiny it is. But on the side with the setting spray, it still looks pretty good. There is a minimal amount of oil starting to come through on my face, but it's nowhere near looking like the other side. And for me to see that for a drugstore setting spray after 12 hours, it's pretty impressive, and this is absolutely one that I would use personally going forward in the future, so cannot recommend it to you enough. Next product I have to share with you are Makeup Revolution's set of Silicone Eye Brushes. Now within this set, you get 2 for eyeshadow application and then an eyeliner brush. Now I'll be completely honest with you, I had very low expectations with these brushes because I wanted to associate them with the sponge tip applicators that you typically get with drugstore eyeshadow palettes just based on the shape alone. But of course, kept an open mind. On the back of the package with these, Makeup Revolution states that you won't have any dragging and it's a very smooth application. I went with a metallic finish eyeshadow, which is one that I would typically apply with a damp brush, but I wanted to see how these silicone eye brushes would apply a metallic finish eyeshadow. And I'm very pleased to tell you that they really packed the pigment onto my lid. There was no dragging, so Makeup Revolution's claim of that is absolutely true. And surprisingly, the finished product with these is as if I had applied the metallic eyeshadow wet on my eyes. The pigmentation is very strong, and there wasn't a lot of effort required to apply the eyeshadow, as you saw in the demonstration that I shared with you here. As weird as they may look, I'd say put your personal bias aside and just give them a shot. I was much more impressed with them than I thought that I originally would have been. The Makeup Revolution has also come out with a makeup removing glove, and this is a copycat for the pink makeup erasing glove that is usually sold in Sephora stores. By the way, I tried that out probably like a year ago, and I did not like it one bit. It did not remove makeup for me. I found it to be just like I was rubbing a cloth on my face. Nothing happened. So I had a really bad experience with it. I ended up returning it, and I didn't think that I would like this glove based on my experience with the original makeup erasing glove. Kept an open mind, tried it out, and wow, very, very happy with the results with this one. All you do is wet the glove under the sink and then use it to remove your makeup. And you can see here in real time how it's taking the makeup off of my face. No trick photography here whatsoever. It does a beautiful job of removing makeup, and very little effort is required with this one, I might add. Needless to say, I like it 10 times better than the original pink makeup erasing glove. This one actually works too. Of course, that makes it a lot better, and this is one that I have been keeping at my makeup table lately to remove makeup when I do make mistakes. It's just easy to have on hand. And finally, the last product I have to share with you is their Pro Hygiene Sanitizing Solid Brush Cleaner. This is really interesting. It's almost like a big bar of soap. That would be how I would describe it. And what you do is take your brush, wet it under the faucet, and then swirl it around into the container, and then transfer it onto your hand, swirl it around to get the excess residue off of the brush, and then rinse it off and you're done. Now for me, the biggest problem that I'm having with this right now is how sanitary is this really? I mean, you're taking a brush that's been on your face, it's full of bacteria, you're swirling it around in this solid, and then you're putting the top back on after you're done, which to me is gonna create a breeding ground of bacteria in here. Ugh. So what I've been doing is leaving the top off, letting the solid dry in there, and then once it's dry, putting the top back on. I still don't have a good feeling about the way that this has been designed. It does take the residue out of your brushes like that. There's no question that it works really well. I just question the sanitary properties of this. Ugh. You almost want to wash the soap after you're done. Overall, I'm pretty happy with a majority of the new Makeup Revolution products I shared with you in today's video. With the exception of that brush cleaner. I'm still kind of freaked out about that one personally. Let me know what you thought about these products, or if you've tried them out, or any others that you would like to see reviewed here on a future Frugal Fridays. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to subscribe for more like this in the future. I'll see you again next time.